Okay, here's a plan considering your requirements. Home design, construction, use good material, save money. This outlines key considerations to create a well-designed, well-built, and cost-effective home. We'll break it down into phases, emphasizing choices that impact both quality and budget. Phase 1, planning and design, laying the foundation for success and savings. This is the most critical phase for controlling costs and ensuring a home you'll love. Define your needs and wants. Lifestyle. How do you live? Consider daily routines, entertaining preferences, hobbies, and work-from-home needs. This informs room sizes, layout, and functionality. Future planning. Think about potential changes in family size, mobility needs, aging in place, and long-term goals. Designing with flexibility avoids costly renovations later. Prioritize. Make a must-have, nice-to-have list. This helps with budget allocation. Be realistic, budgeting, and sticking to it. Get pre-approval. Secure a mortgage pre-approval to understand your realistic borrowing capacity. Detailed budget. Include land costs, if applicable, purchase price, design fees, architect or designer, structural engineer, permitting fees, building permits, inspections, construction costs, materials, labor, breakdown by trade, framing, plumbing, etc. Get multiple bids from contractors. Contingency fund. Set aside 10 to 15% of the total budget for unexpected expenses. Finishing costs. Landscaping, appliances, window coverings. Regular monitoring. Track expenses closely and compare them to the budget. Be prepared to adjust plans if necessary. Architect, designer selection. Experience. Look for professionals with experience in the type of home you want to build, e.g., sustainable design, specific architectural styles. Portfolio. Review their past projects to ensure their style aligns with your vision. Communication. Choose someone you can communicate with effectively and who listens to your needs. Cost. Understand the fee structure, hourly, fixed price, percentage of construction cost. House design and planning for efficiency. Floor plan. Simple shapes, rectangular or square homes are generally cheaper to build than complex designs with multiple angles, curves, and rooflines. Efficient layout. Minimize hallways and wasted space. Consider open concept living for more flexibility, but balance with privacy needs. Room sizes. Right size rooms. Avoid overbuilding. Site considerations. Orientation. Position the house to maximize natural light and passive solar heating, south-facing windows, and minimize heat gain, east-west. Site grading. Optimize the site to minimize excavation and foundation costs. Existing conditions. Factor in potential challenges like rocky soil, high water tables, or the need for retaining walls. Energy efficiency. Insulation. High-quality insulation in walls, roof, and floors is crucial for reducing energy bills. Choose energy-efficient windows with low E coatings and appropriate U values. Consider window placement for natural light and cross-ventilation. Air sealing. Ensure a tight building envelope to prevent air leaks. Sustainable practices. Explore solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and other eco-friendly options if your budget allows. Phase 2, material selection, quality versus cost balance. Careful material choices impact longevity, maintenance, and the overall look of your home. Foundation. The most common foundation material. Choose the appropriate type for your soil conditions. Insulated concrete forms, ICFs, offer excellent insulation and energy efficiency, potentially saving money on heating cooling costs long term. Consider frost depth. Factor in the depth to which the ground freezes in your area when determining foundation depth. Framing. Traditional and readily available. Choose sustainably sourced lumber. Steel framing, strong, durable, and resistant to pests and fire, but can be more expensive initially. Engineered wood products, EPs, include I-joists, offer high strength-to-weight ratio and can span long distances. Structural composite lumber, SCL, beams and headers. Siding, vinyl siding, cost-effective and low maintenance, but not the most durable. Fiber cement siding, durable, fire-resistant, and comes in various styles. Requires painting. Wood siding, beautiful and natural, but requires regular maintenance. Choose rot-resistant species like cedar or redwood. Roofing, asphalt shingles, most common and affordable. Choose high-quality shingles with a long warranty. Metal roofing, durable, long-lasting, and can be energy efficient, reflects heat. Can be more expensive initially. Tile roofing, beautiful and durable, but can be very expensive and heavy. Interior, flooring, hardwood, classic and desirable, but can be expensive. Consider engineered hardwood for cost savings. Laminate, more affordable than hardwood, but less durable. Tile, durable and water resistant. Carpeting, comfortable, but can trap allergens. Cabinets, stock cabinets, ready-made, cost-effective. Semi-custom cabinets, offer more design choices than stock cabinets, and still relatively affordable. Custom cabinets, most expensive. Countertops, affordable and available in many styles. Granite, quartz, and solid surface, durable and beautiful, but more expensive. Doors and windows, quality windows and doors, increase your comfort level and home value and help save on energy costs, and come in a variety of styles. Material sourcing and procurement, shop around. Get quotes from multiple suppliers for the same materials. Bulk purchases, consider buying materials in bulk to save money, especially for common items like lumber and drywall. Material waste, develop a plan to minimize waste. Work with your contractor on this. Timely delivery, coordinate material deliveries to avoid storage fees and delays. Phase 3, construction, executing the plan efficiently. Contractor selection, references and experience. Get referrals and check references. Ensure the contractor has experience with your type of project. Licenses and insurance. Verify the contractor's licenses, insurance, and bonding. Written contract. A detailed contract outlining the scope of work, materials, payment schedule, and timelines is crucial. Communication. Choose a contractor who is responsive, communicative, and transparent. Construction management. Regular inspections. Schedule regular inspections at key stages of the project to ensure quality and compliance with building codes. Project meetings. Hold regular meetings with the contractor to discuss progress, address any issues, and make any necessary adjustments. Change orders. Document all change orders in writing and obtain approval from both parties before making any changes. Quality control. Make sure all workers are following proper safety guidelines. Labor. Subcontractors. Ensure you are getting skilled labor at a fair price. Schedule. Proper schedule ensures that you don't waste labor costs on idle time. Phase 4. Finishing touches and ongoing savings. Appliances and fixtures. Energy-efficient appliances. Invest in energy-efficient appliances to save money on utility bills. Lighting. Use LED lighting throughout your home to save energy. Plumbing fixtures. Low-flow faucets and shower heads can reduce water consumption. Landscaping. Native plants. Use native plants that require less water and maintenance. Efficient irrigation. Install an efficient irrigation system or consider a drip irrigation system for the yard. Ongoing maintenance. Regular maintenance. Perform routine maintenance tasks to prevent costly repairs down the road. Energy audits. Schedule periodic energy audits to identify areas where you can save energy. Key takeaways to save money. Plan. Thorough planning minimizes costly mistakes and change orders. Prioritize and be realistic. Focus on essential features and allocate your budget wisely. Shop around and negotiate. Get multiple bids and compare prices. Choose durable materials. Consider the long-term cost of materials versus short-term savings. Efficient construction management. Minimize waste and ensure quality workmanship. Energy efficiency. Invest in energy-efficient features to save money on utility bills. Consider DIY. If you're handy, consider DIY projects where appropriate to save labor costs. Be realistic about your skills and available time. By following these guidelines, you can build a beautiful, functional, and energy-efficient home while staying within your budget. Good luck!